Millie, may I beg you go up on a fasting? Pray to God for all my tongue. This stuff face girls me put up video with my pitney and I tell me to take it down. What she not take down a whole concrete face job on a favor mass Papa Jackass Kendall? She go tell me of a parent for me own a pitney with fear parenting manual? Then the next idiot Jainara inbox me. Wallong! Elba sinting like a book. Millie, I just cut my eye. Millie, I didn't even look. Them full of advice, see Millie. Them beat their pastor. Them don't know how to do a thing. But as you try, bing bing, them got's the answer. The way all them they everywhere, Millie. You have to wonder, how are them title? For everything we post on social media, Millie, them got's the Bible. Them have the parenting Bible. How to live your life, Bible. What to do with your relationship, Bible. Them have every Bible. Apart from learn to mind your own business, Bible. But me pitney naked in a video. And Millie, you know say a lie? If she can't stand to see the video, why she not bird box her eye? Pitney half naked in a track and field, half naked in a gymnastics, but them can't half naked in a dancing. Set up piece of hypocrite. A two papi show them. Tweetle Diamond, Tweetle Dama. I don't know who asks them for parenting tips. I'm me. I'm a pitney mama.